Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about the differences between an oscillating multi-tool and a rotary tool. Now, they're both very similar tools in the sense that they're designed for precision work. With a rotary tool, there's an endless array of bits and sanding drums and cutting wheels that you can put on the end of that tool. And you can adjust the speed, hold it like a pencil, and really get precise work. It's great for working on jewelry, or maybe you need to remove some grout. You know, it is just a terrific tool for that. Now, an oscillating multi-tool can do a lot of the same things depending on the blades that you put on it. But the real advantage for an oscillating multi-tool is its ability to cut and do plunge cutting. Plunge cutting is where you need to cut into a piece of wood or drywall from the outside, where you just need to go right in and make a precise cut. This is the tool to use for those types of projects. Coming up next, my video on 3 ways to use a multi-tool.